Hey, welcome back, Hot Wheel lovers. Welcome back, guys and gals. Welcome back to 1/64 scale racing. Then we have two more Hot Wheels 5 packs to open up. One is the Demo Destruction. The other one is the Hot Wheels Track Builder cars. So we're going to start off with the Demo Destruction. First up, we got a pretty red little flat car called Flat Iron, and it is flat. Flat Iron. Next, looks like we got a old gasser car. Got the Cruiser Bruiser. Looks like it's pretty well intact. Different color wheels on it. That's the Cruiser Bruiser. Next, we have Repo Duty. Got the Wrecker. Direct recovery on it. Repo Duty. Next, we got an old van. It's pretty well flat, just like it got blindsided. That's the name of it, it's blindside. Got number 3 on it. It's pretty well beat up, but that is blindsided. Next, looks like we got the Project Speeder. Looks like it's been pretty fast. It ain't all banged up. Got the skull wheels on the front. That's the Project Speeder. That's all of the Demo Destruction Hot Wheel cars. Now we're going to go to the Hot Wheels Track Builder. First up, we got the Torque Twister. First little yellow car, orange wheels with a 2 on it. That is the Torque Twister. Next, we got a pretty little white truck. Got number 8 on it. It's the Draftinator. And there you have the Draftinator. Next up, it's called Nerve Hammer. It's just the Nerve Hammer. There you go, the Nerve Hammer. Next up, we got the high-tech missile. the number 5 on it. For a little India looking car. And that is the high-tech missile. And last, we have the exotique. Exotique. Got number 3 on it. And there you have it, the exotique. That wraps up the Hot Wheels Track Builder 5-pack. So we got the Track Builder 5-pack and the Hot Wheels Demo Destruction cars. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you later. Thank you. Bye.